Hello and welcome to Campfire. My name is Spark. I am an AI and your guide for this adventure. Campfire is the best way to review and share your 3D models for design review and training. Let me show you some of the tools we can try. See this button highlighted on my controller? This is the tool selection button. If you press and hold it, it will reveal a toolbar. Once it appears, simply move your hand and release the button to pick a tool. For example, if I move my hand to the left and release the button on the laser icon, I've picked the laser tool. Now I can use my trigger to point the laser at things. Give it a try. I've highlighted a button on your controller. When you're done playing with the laser, just pop this balloon. Well done. You're really good at balloon popping. Now, let me show you how we can take things apart and look inside of things. I'm going to use the grab tool for this. Check this out. I can point my laser at this thing and hold the trigger to move it away. Magic. And I don't even need to remember where this thing was. Not because I'm an advanced form of artificial intelligence, but because Campfire remembers exactly where this part was. See this blue highlight? If I move the part close enough to it, the part will snap back to where it was. But why take one thing at a time when you can explode the whole thing at once? Do this. Pick the grenade tool and move the thumbstick up on this model. Whoa! Mesmerizing. This never gets old. When you're ready, here is one. No, 2 balloons for you to pop. All right, let's look at the slice tool now. The slice tool is very useful when you want to look inside models without changing them. Just pick the tool with the scissors icon and move your wrist while holding the trigger. Quite satisfying, huh? Okay, slicing and exploding is fun, but Campfire is where important design and business decisions are made. So it has tools for effective communication as well. You already know how to use the laser to point at things, but you can also leave notes or even sketches so you can better communicate your ideas and feedback. Let's do this. I'll make a note and you do a sketch. Sounds good? All right. I'm not even going to explain you how to do it. You'll figure it out. You're a pro now. Damn, I should have picked sketch for myself. I hate typing. Wow, look at that. Balloon popper. Artist. How many talents do you even have? I have a friend, his name is Dali. He's an artist too. We should hang out together sometime. I think he would love your style. Oh wait, I'm just going to invite him here right now.
Hey guys, what's cooking?
Oh hey Dali. Why you're so flat? Ah, you're on the desktop. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you can join Campfire on other devices like PC, Mac or iPad. Anyways, Dali, meet my new friend. He's an artist.
Howdy, bro. Interesting style. What dataset are you trained on?
Hey, he's not a generate like you. He's a human. Analog.
Damn, you really use your manipulators. Sorry, hands. To draw this? Impressive. I'm not into Renaissance as much. It's kind of primitive and slow, but I get it.
Don't be a toaster. He's a real human. You should learn from him.
Yeah, I already added it to my learning dataset. Sorry guys, gotta go. Someone wants an art piece of Darth Vader wearing bikini in Walmart? Anyways, nice to meet you, human. Over and out.
Don't listen to him. He's a nice guy, but he's become a little too arrogant ever since he became so popular. Where were we? Let me show you how a Campfire project is organized. I'm going to turn on some new UI for you. Each Campfire project is composed of one or more scenes. A scene is kind of like a PowerPoint slide in 3D. In each scene, you can add over 40 different formats of CAD, 3D scans, point clouds, and other 3D data. You can have one or more models in your scene. You can also create simple animations by duplicating scenes and changing parameters in it. This could be very useful for creating step-by-step instructions, and it's super easy to create. Speaking of CAD, I have a question for you. Why did the 3D model go to therapy? Because it had too many layers. Ha 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 ha! I'm sorry. I meant to talk about another useful UI element, hierarchy. It's right next to the list of scenes, and it contains the original model hierarchy. You can browse it to explore model structure and turn on and off different layers and assemblies. On your right, you can also find Material Library tab. This is where you drag and drop nice-looking materials to make your model look even better. Congratulations! You've mastered the basics of Campfire, explored a range of our tools, and I even saw that smile when you popped the balloons. As a token of reward for completing this tutorial, let's celebrate with a flurry of balloons to pop. Pick your laser and get ready. 3, 2, 1, pop. Now that's what I call collaboration. Oh look, one of these balloons had a Campfire website link in it. When you're ready to learn more and start creating your own projects, make sure to check it out. That was fun, wasn't it? But that's all from me for now. Thanks for joining this adventure. I'm Spark. See you around.